Crotona Park right here. So this park is like, it's a huge park. It actually spans like two different sides. You know what I mean? So you can either walk this way through the trail, or you can walk around that way through the trail, which is going to take you over there to where the pond is. I'm glad I decided to even take this walk, because now I can show y'all something real quick. This stuff I be talking about when it comes down to black people versus other people. Like, they outside, everybody do their shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody just mind their business, do their shit. You feel me? But they all together, everybody is unified. They all playing, you know what I'm saying, dominoes over there. They do their shit. Of course, they got the bodegas and shit, right? The bodegas is right here. Got a barbershop. Actually, it's a tattoo spot right here on Boston Road, and a barbershop. She ain't got no pants on. She just came outside with no pants on just now. But anyway, yeah. Now we walking up the block towards Crotona Park. So I'll just show y'all Crotona Park if y'all not familiar with it. Show y'all a little bit. This is where Donald Trump was over here. You know what I mean? Donald Trump was over here at Crotona Park. Hold on. So we basically just walking through real quick. We're not gonna walk all the way through the park. We're just gonna show you the park itself. And this is the BX though. This is the Bronx, New York City. So this park is like, it's a huge park. It actually spans like two different sides. You know what I mean? So you can either walk this way through the trail, or you can walk around that way through the trail, which is going to take you over there to where the pond is at. Maybe we just go check out the pond since we're here. It's the vibes though. Hope y'all enjoying these vlogs. Like I said, just take y'all with me. Some of my little cool spots around the city, around the neighborhoods. You know, like for me, for any neighborhood I ever visit or place I'm at, I don't care if I'm just coming to see somebody. For me, I feel a need to just, you know, kind of venture off and just go see what the surrounding neighborhoods look like, because that's just how I am. I like to see what's new, see what's dope around it, because sometimes it just be stuff right, you know, sometimes be right around the corner from you, you know, and we just be so stuck in our ways that we just kind of follow out normal protocol, and we just kind of go from point A to point B, and we never kind of do a detour. So I take y'all on my detours, you know what I'm saying? Like me being in Montreal, that was a total detour, you know? Wasn't necessarily a planned trip, per se. It was just me popping up in the city and detour. Get lost a few times, you know? Find your way back to certain spots. Then you start understanding how the city kind of connects, you know? So that's what this channel is about, as well as, you know, you seeing me doing this dolo, doing this by myself at a lot of times, well, most of the time. And yeah, it takes a little bit of courage, it takes a little bit of, you know, just a little bit of push sometimes, you know, within yourself. Sometimes you got to push yourself to do something outside your comfort zone, right? Like I always say, that's my favorite line in this show. Stepping outside your comfort zone. You know what I mean? So that's pretty the premise. This is the premise for this. Stepping outside your comfort zone. But this is Crotona Park. Yeah. So like I said too, I'll take you guys to all of the cool parks around wherever I'm at. Wherever I land at, I will be going to a park or a waterfront or something of that sort. Because it's all for peace and serenity. You know? I like peaceful environments, calm environments, and you know, happy environments. Peaceful. Main thing. You know, too much chaos in the world. Finding peace is not a easy thing to accomplish all the time, you know. So you constantly fighting the currents and gotta constantly make corrections within yourself to navigate those dirty, horrible waters. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys are following my brand, yes, this is me. I am the creator of the Swaganese brand. Anything you see on any social media platform regarding Swaganese came from these hands, pretty much. It is I behind the vision. It is I behind the computer doing all this work. All the designs, all the creations, and all that stuff. So let's be clear that Swaganese Travels is an offset to the brand Swaganese. Just for clarity purposes, because sometimes, you know, translation get lost. So I just want to make that clear real quick. But yeah, man. What's on the pump? Damn, son. I was trying to catch him doing Willie and shit, right? Then the little nigga splashed me with the cream. I got cream on right now. You can't splash me with the cream on, my nigga. Like, whatever. Anyway, yeah, man, this is the pond right here. This is Crotona Park. It looks like they having a thing going on over there. Some type of event. Y'all real quick. So Crotona Park, yeah, man, it be lit out here. You know, most of the stuff happens on the other side. This is the area where Donald Trump was at. So back there, across the pond over there, that's where Donald Trump was having his speech at. So they kind of had him tucked over there because it's kind of like a hill that goes over. But yeah, this is Crotona Park. This is where Donald Trump was. This is the pond area. Then they have a restroom and all this stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? Women's room, the men's room is over there. Men's room, women's room. So yeah, this is Crotona Park, man. This is just a little bit of Crotona Park. But they got some cool spots. So all you gotta do is just take your little detours and just walk around. You know, today wasn't really the day. I don't really want to go towards the music because the music sometimes gives you the copyright strikes. You know what I'm saying? But you know, this is Swaganese Travels. We might as well be nosy, right? And go check out, see what's going on. Maybe run into something nice. That's how it usually happens, right? Just go detour and then you run into something. You know? So they got the cookout pits right here. If y'all want to check out the cookout pits. This shit that y'all can do with your friends and family. I don't know why people don't utilize this a lot more. Like, there's no reason, like, right now that this is empty. Like, look at these spots. A couple of spots. You know what I'm saying? One on, like, a couple of... Every time you see a little red block, that's where the fire pit is at. You know what I'm saying? If I had it my way, I'd have people out here right now. We'd be out here cooking out, doing something cool. Have a little tent, you know what I'm saying? They got a tent with it. I can't really see it in the camera. You see the tent in the background. But they got the tent. But we got cooler tents. We can go get a cooler tent, you know what I'm saying? We spend money on doing nothing sometimes. Like, we could go get a cool tent, man. To sit in the park and have a good cookout. Call your peoples over, everybody. Call your girlfriends, your friends, whoever be. Just do that shit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody gets so tied up and I'm busy, I'm doing, like, come out, fuck around with the family, your friends. Enjoy the parks and shit. I done showed y'all mad cool parks. That's the point of doing that, so y'all can see locations and shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing all the work. All y'all gotta do is tune into the show. You feel me? The work is being done by me. You know, I could be laid up chilling, but now I'm outside exploring. They call me Gunner the Explorer. See what they got going on over here. So yeah, we were literally over there on the other side. I just showed y'all. So we be walking, man. We be moving real quick. Okay. Oh, they have a little DJ little situation over here. Look.
give it up for DJ Justice. Get ready to close the night out.
This is Crotona Park, the Bronx.
Yeah, back to go. You back to. Look at that.
Old school shit. Yeah, so this is going on in Crotona Park right now, as we speak. So it'll be like little cool things like that going on. Sometimes you just gotta be walking around, moving around and see. Or even if you get a memo or something, you know, you can pop out. We don't gotta do the normal, you know, everybody got their own little routines, I guess, right? In terms of how they move around in the city and shit. Some people want to be at the clubs and pop bottles and all that type of shit, but this is for the, you know, the chill, calm, cool dudes that just want to just be doing some regular cool out shit, you know what I mean? Niggas getting a little older, niggas just chilling. They ain't trying to be outside doing too much. You feel me? But that's why I like to show shit like that. Yeah. But this is like near the parkway right here. So if you guys remember, they had the signs standing up there. They was on a rock in the background here. Hold on. This big rock in the background right here. They was like literally lined up over here along the parkway, marching and, you know, going against Trump pretty much. So, you know, this is the location for that. But again, this is also a location that you guys could do cookouts and grill, friends and your family, shit like that. Crotona Park right here in the Bronx, and they also got another side, which is right across the way over here. So you just gotta cross the parkway over there. You know, where the cars are going, literally, it's taking you towards that way. So that's another side of Crotona Park. You know what I mean? So this is the side that's closer to Boston Road. They got a basketball court over here for the kids and adults as well. And y'all, this is right up the block from where I was saying, like the restaurant is. So the restaurant is on 174. And again, y'all can cook out. Look, they utilizing the spot. You know what I'm saying? The right way. Kids having a party. Hold on. It's having an issue with the camera just now. But yeah, all of them, they chilling. Everybody chilling. They got the park here, the basketball court, so if y'all want to check out the basketball court. Handball court right here. And y'all can bring y'all kids with the bikes. Wow. And again, this is a huge park, so there's different dimensions to the park. Maybe I'll show you guys a little bit more later on, like maybe throughout the week later on, we'll actually do a whole full tour of the park. Right now, we're just gonna cut through and head back over to the other side. Since I was right here in the area, I thought I'd just bring y'all through real quick. And this is for the out-of-towners mainly. This one right here is for the people that's not in New York City, that's not from New York City, that want to get an idea of what New York City looks like, how our parks look, how the people look, you know, that type of thing. The kids' playground. So yeah, and also to show the difference of, you know, the living setups, how things are organized, how the parks are organized versus how y'all parks are organized, how our ponds are set up versus how y'all ponds are set up, seating areas. Because there's a slight little differences, subtle differences that's that I've discovered throughout my little walks throughout different places, which again is why I like to detour and kind of just roam around sometimes when I'm traveling, you know. Sometimes, you know, everybody's not like that, so everybody ain't gonna just, you know, keep it. Not everybody gonna keep it, you know, like that and be moving around and shit. You feel me? So they doing that shit. Hold on 1 second, y'all. You wanna ask me a question? Nah, it's all good. What's up? Popo?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay. Oh, but it's legal anyway. You know where I can get some weed?
Not over here. I
Oh.
have no clue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, that's what
All
I wanted to know.
Copy.
Thank you.
You all ready?
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, this is Swaganese Travels shit, you heard? I ain't gonna show her on the camera since you already thinking I'm Popo. I look like a police, y'all? Maybe it's the blue and the yellow hat. I don't know. She's like, yo, you not Popo, right? Asking for weed. It's New York City, it's weed everywhere. Find weed. And she was sitting with some young boys, and I'm sure they know where the weed is at. So if y'all looking for weed, y'all can find them. I ain't gotta help y'all do that. I don't think. Especially if I look like Popo. You know what I'm saying? Or if I had some, I probably just gave her something, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. And they got a party pack. So quiet for that. Show y'all guys a little bit of Crotona Park, just a little bit of Crotona Park. I'll show y'all the full layout of Crotona Park in the future, sometime in the future. Y'all stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, y'all can tune into the rest of the vlogs that we got going on out there, and y'all can get accustomed to what's actually going on, so y'all can follow the script. Because each, it's kind of like step by step, you know. So you can just follow my trail, and you can just see how we moving, and then you could tune into the whole culture of the show, and get a real foundational understanding about what's going on in the show, you know. Rather than me just sending you guys links and stuff like that, I'd rather you guys actually tune in. You know, give it 10, 15 minutes. If you know, if it's not interesting to you, then that's cool. But you know, just at least give it some chance to resonate with your spirit, if that so be the case. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. This is Swaganese Travels. We had some good food real quick. I showed you guys that, and I showed you guys a little bit of Crotona Park. And we're just gonna continually move through. This is not a full perspective of what Crotona Park is. There's two sides to Crotona Park. But yeah. This connects to like 3rd Avenue on the other side as well. Not, well, a little off of 3rd Avenue. You know what I'm saying? But if you're in a, you know, 3rd Avenue area, like a 169, 170th in that area, all you gotta do is walk over to Crotona Park and it'll be right, literally right there. So, yeah, y'all. This Swaganese Travels again, man. Swaganese the brand, you know the vibes, man. I am your host, L Gunner, and we tuning out, man. I'll holler at y'all later.